One of the main things I had to realize in my trading journey to become a profitable trader, and in the past 2.5 years or so, was to stop caring about the trading. And what I mean by that, I don't mean by that completely recklessly just trading and entering trades wherever you want on the chart and hoping for the best. That's not what I mean. What I mean is stop caring so much about the outcome. Now, I'm not telling you this, but that's what I had to tell myself. So I hope this story is gonna, in some way, shape or form, is gonna help you. So when I stop caring about the outcome of the trades, what I'm taking, because let's be honest, we all want to make money. When you enter the trade, you're hoping to make money, to profit, so you can pay the bills or whatever might be in your trading journey. That is the worst position or the worst mindset you can have in trading, because trading is so different to normal traditional business. You can't really predict your P&L or your profit margins or whatever it might be in the future. You really can't. It's so unpredictable, trading. Once you enter the trade, you're on the mercy of the market. There's no one can save you. It's only you. So when you want so much to win the trades, because or be right, because that's all we're trading for. You want to be right so you can make cash. Have you ever realized that the more you want something in your life, the more you really focus on that, and you just want to like, I really want this, and you just do whatever you can, the more further it's going away from you? Have you ever realized that? It happened to me so many times that I want something, maybe money, relationship, I don't know, something. Let's just stick to the girlfriend, okay? For example, I want this girl. And I want her so bad. And the more I want the girl, guess what? The more she doesn't want me, and then the more she's going further and further and further away. And that's exactly same thing with money or with trading for that instance. The more I want the trading to work for me, the more I'm focusing on it, and the more I'm really have the urge and the eager to really want it, the further it's going away from me. The moment I stop wanting the girl, the moment I stop giving a fuck, you can say so, I guess what? The girl suddenly turn around and start coming to me, like out of the blue, just because I stop caring. I stop caring about the outcome, if she's gonna be my girlfriend or not. And that's same thing with trading. That's what I realized as well. The moment I stop caring about the outcome, the moment I enter the trade in the morning, and I looked at it the next day in loss, look at the next day in profit, look at the next day break even, look at the next day in my TP. The moment I stop caring about the outcome and actually just let the trade run, because I do swing trading, the more I start winning, the more I'm just really enjoying. Because here's the thing, we all enter the trading space to have a better life, right? You want to escape the job you don't like or whatever it might be. For me, it was a job I didn't really like. I hate to work for someone else, and I want to have the freedom to work and live anywhere I want. For example, now I'm here in this beautiful area on my rooftop with the pool. That's where I'm filming from, and that's all I wanted. You don't want this to be your another job. You don't want this to just sit from the morning till the night and just all you're just doing is just trading. Even that you love it. I love trading. Okay, don't get me wrong. I fucking love trading. The problem with this, I want to have replaced my day to night 9 to 5 job or whatever it might be. I want to have it replaced, meaning I don't want to sit at my laptop all day long. That's not the reason why I started. I want to enter the trade or trade in the morning and just leave my apartment and go enjoy the day. Go to cafe, do my other business to work on or something else. The moment you stop caring about the outcome and just let it play out, if it's going in your edge and your strategy and the edge you develop the way the way develop edge is basically just trade chart time, like just the chart time. The more you spend time on the charts, the more you learn and the more you become better and better. Because at the end of the day, you're coming into this arena in trading where like you're coming to an area where it's killers. Like they're all just killers. They've been doing it for like years or decades. Who do you think is gonna win for the first few years? Of course they're gonna win. They're gonna take your money from your account, not their money. You're gonna lose money. And it's gonna take time before you learn to be the killer so you can win in trading. I hope that you stop caring about trading. Not deliberately stop caring and just forget about trading, but enter a trade and go for a walk, come back to it later, and you will see that most of your trades, the best trades is going to happen those which you just forget about. For me, example as well, when I traveled to Europe from Bangkok, I traveled to Europe back to my country, 10-hour flight overnight, and I couldn't look at my phone, of course. So when I was on a plane, I arrived to Dubai, I looked at my phone, I was like midway to the teepee, and I'm thinking, should I close it? I won't be able to have a look for another, I don't know, 8 hours or something, all the way to my country. Should I just close it or no? I'm like, you know what, fuck it, I'm just gonna leave it open and let's see what's happened. And guess what? I arrived to my destination, look at my phone, and I was way over my TP. I closed the trade and it was happy days. And the times where I was looking at the charts all the time, 24/7, just checking my phone if everything is okay, you know, like, and then just thinking, should I close now? Oh my God, there is a bullish candle, all this stuff. It's always ended up bad. I either closed too early and then it just went in my way or something like that. And yeah, that's how you screw up. If you don't have the big winning trade days, you won't be able to be sustainable in this business, because you're gonna have losses and you're gonna have to let the winners run, cut your losses short. And that is can't be more than true. Every time I let the winners run and cut my losses short, that's when I become profitable. I make my payout, I pass my challenges, like I just passed 2 challenges. Step 2 got funded, step 1 of my alpha capital, and triple my account from $300, my small account on MT5, with Pop Prime. By the way, that's the broker I use. If you're interested in that, there's a link below. I tripled that, $300 to $900 in 1 week. Just stop worrying about the outcome, enter the trade, go for a walk, forget about the trade, come back to it later, and that's probably the best how you can win. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.